Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public charging stations in the UK. First, download a reliable app like ZapMap or PlugShare to find available charging points nearby. Next, identify your vehicle's connector type. Most modern EVs in the UK use Type 2 for AC charging and CCS Combo 2 for rapid DC charging. Finally, always check the charging speed and current cost per kilowatt-hour before you begin your session to avoid any surprises. Once you've arrived at a public charging station, park your electric vehicle safely and ensure your charging cable can comfortably reach the car's charging port. If the station has a tethered cable, use that. Otherwise, connect your own cable. Plug the correct connector into your car first, then into the charging station. Follow the on-screen instructions or use the associated app to authenticate and start your charging session. Public charging stations offer various payment methods. You can typically pay using a dedicated mobile app, an RFID card provided by a charging network, or a contactless debit or credit card. Many rapid chargers now accept contactless payments. Monitor your charging progress via the station's display or through the app. Once your battery has reached your desired charge level, usually around 80% for rapid chargers, stop the session and safely disconnect your cable. To ensure a smooth experience for everyone, always move your vehicle from the charging bay as soon as your session is complete. If you encounter a faulty charging station, please report it to the charge point operator using their contact details, often found on the unit itself or in the app. For longer journeys, planning your route with charging stops in mind will help you avoid range anxiety and ensure a stress-free trip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.